Hey guys, so it's 9:30 and I had the worst night's sleep ever. I went to sleep around like 11:30-ish. I woke up at 1 and I was like, and then I tried really hard to go back to sleep, and then I woke up at 4 and I was still like, what the fuck? And then I woke up at 5 and I tried so hard to go back to sleep, and then I woke up again at 6 and I was like, oh no. And so I laid in bed for an hour and gave up, and I was so tired. Or I wasn't tired, I was so just like annoyed because I wanted to go to sleep, but I wasn't tired, I guess. Like, I guess my body got too much sleep on the plane. But anyways, my mom is out, but she has to go to the mall later to pick something up, so I'm gonna go with her. And I don't really have any other plans today. I'm just kind of chilling. It's really hot outside. Or it's really hot in my room. Hey guys, so this is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing this shirt that I got in London. It's from Zara. And it's just, I don't know, like I want to say button up, but it's not. It just, I don't know, it's just a collared shirt with no buttons. And it's pink. And it's kind of coralish, actually. And I have a necklace on from Forever 21, and then just some Old Navy white shorts. And I'm not wearing shoes because I haven't left the house yet. But I'm going to go paint my nails, so bye! Hey guys, so I am going to go to Rite to pick up some nail polish remover because I don't know where mine is, and I'm pretty sure my sister like used it and I don't know where she put it, so I'm just gonna go buy some more because we were running out anyways. But anyways, I'm just throwing my stuff on the ground. Oh, I have to go back up and grab my driver's license, and I have no idea where my car keys are or like my wallet or anything, so I'll be back. 1 second. Okay, so crisis averted. I found my driver's license and my credit card, and now I'm, like I said, going to Rite Aid. I haven't been outside yet today. It's really nice. Wow. I'm gonna put my sorry. I was putting my sunglasses on. It's such a nice day outside. I love Southern California. Like, you can't get much better than this. But anyways, I don't know what colors I want to paint my nails. I'm that person. It like takes me so long to figure out what color I want to paint my nails, but who knows. I think I'm gonna paint my toes orange because they're white right now, and I don't know what color I want to paint my fingernails. I was thinking about painting them white, but I want to do like an actual color. I'm all out of breath. I'm really pathetic. Anyways, okay. I'm going now. I'll talk to you guys after. So I got my nail polish remover. I just got the Rite Aid brand, and then I also bought 2 nail polishes because I have an addiction. This one which is like a bright pinkish color, and then this one which is a bright neon coral. So, and they're like they're Julie nail polishes. I have no idea. Whatever. There's this weird noise. It's like, do you hear that? So I just went through and I put a lot of clothes in a pile over there, right there, to give away. And these are all the hangers. And then I have to tackle all the stuff that is in this suitcase and put it all away, so. Hey guys, so I'm heading out to go get dinner with my friend who I haven't seen all summer, so I'm really excited, and I'll talk to you guys later.